Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best pastry wheel is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any home baker or professional pastry chef looking to elevate their dessert creations, allowing for precise and intricate dough cutting and decorative edging with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making it a must-have for anyone serious about achieving bakery quality results in their own kitchen. Number 5. Spring Chef Dough Blender. Introducing the Spring Chef Dough Blender, designed to make your baking easier. It's better than traditional methods for cutting cold butter into flour. Achieve professional results with its heavy-duty stainless steel blades. They are twice as thick as others, ensuring durability and efficiency in your baking. Create flakier biscuits, perfect pie crusts, and delicious pastries. This tool quickly mixes butter into flour for a yummier end product. Enjoy baking without the strain. Its comfortable, soft grip handle absorbs pressure, making it ideal even for those with arthritis. This blender is great for more than just dough. Use it to chop fruits, vegetables, nuts, or even make salsa and guacamole. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. What we like? This tool is built to last with its heavy-duty stainless steel blades, making it perfect for cutting cold butter into flour for flaky pastries. The comfortable grip handle ensures ease of use, even for those with arthritis. If you're looking for a durable and versatile tool that goes beyond just dough, this is the one for you. What people say. This one was a great price, is very sturdy, will fit into the mixing bowl, and even came in my favorite color. My old one was chrome and the finish had started to chip off. This one it's stainless steel and will not rust. It is easy to clean, and works great. Really impressed with this one. The handle feels sturdy and comfortable, and the blades cut through cold butter super easily. It makes dough come together faster without melting the butter in your hands. Easy to clean, no bending, and feels nice and solid. Perfect for pies, biscuits, and crumbles. The cutter is double the thickness of Pampered Chef. It is well made and can be cleaned without bending the metal. It is a little smaller, but works well. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Stainless Steel French Rolling Pin. Achieve perfect dough consistency every time with this large rolling pin. Its design gives you superior control for easier rolling and baking. Embrace the classic French style of baking with this tapered design. It's ideal for pizza, cookies, pastries, and pie crusts. Keep your dough perfectly chilled for delicate recipes. You can freeze this roller pin to prevent the dough from warming too quickly. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this rolling pin is built for longevity. Its non-stick surface ensures it will be a kitchen staple for years to come. Spend less time cleaning and more time baking. This roller pin is completely dishwasher safe for quick and convenient cleanup. Its sleek, handle-free tapered design not only looks great in your kitchen but also provides enhanced control for flattening dough. What we like? Achieve professional-looking results with this French-style rolling pin, offering superior control over dough thickness. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, and it's even freezable to keep your dough perfectly cool. If you enjoy baking delicate pastries and pies where precise dough thickness is key, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No handles required, just angling down where your hands rest make this rolling pin a breeze to use. Easy to clean and lightweight. It was long enough for my largest pie crust and cinnamon roll doughs, had a smaller diameter so it'd roll over a surface area more often and evenly. Because it's metal it really chills up in the fridge for those shortening crusts. Number 3. Talisman Designs Pastry Wheel Pie Crust Decorator. Introducing the Talisman Designs Pastry Wheel Decorator. This high-quality pie tool helps you create a professional-looking braid around your crust, perfect for your next family gathering. Wow your friends and family with a gorgeously made pie featuring a flawless crust. It's prettier and easier than pinching the edges. Ensure your pie crust edge is nice and thick. This tool works great for both single and double crusts, depending on thickness. You can also use it without the guide for freehand designs. Easily roll this wheel around the edge of your pie crust. The detachable guide hugs the edge of the pie dish, ensuring a perfect crust every time. Made from durable, BPA-free, food-safe plastic, this decorator easily comes apart and is dishwasher safe. Spend more time with loved ones and less time cleaning. What we like? Create stunning, bakery-style pie crusts with ease using this decorator wheel. The detachable guide ensures a perfect, uniform edge every time, making it simple to achieve professional-looking braids. If you want to impress with your pies and simplify the decorating process, this tool is ideal. What people say. The Pastry Wheel Decorator is a great tool for cutting dough. It makes clean cuts and is easy to use. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 2. LIMNUO Extra Thick Silicone Baking Mat. Experience superior baking with our extra thick silicone mat. Made from high-quality, food-grade platinum silicone, it's designed to last for years. This mat is incredibly durable, withstanding temperatures from -30 degrees Fahrenheit to 470 degrees Fahrenheit. You can confidently move it from the freezer to the oven and back again. Say goodbye to sticky messes. Its non-stick surface ensures that dough and grease wipe away easily, keeping your countertops clean and sanitary. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse or pop it in the dishwasher. It's also foldable or rollable for convenient, space-saving storage. This premium mat is a must-have for any kitchen, perfect for pies, pastries, and more. It also makes a wonderful gift for any baker. We stand by the quality of our baking mat, which is designed for over 2 years of use. If you're not satisfied, we offer a hassle-free return. What we like. This extra thick silicone mat provides a durable, non-stick surface for all your rolling needs, from dough to pie crusts. It's safe for use in a wide temperature range, making it incredibly versatile. If you want to keep your countertops clean and ensure easy dough handling and cleanup, this mat is a must-have. What people say. The Pastry Wheel Decorator is a versatile tool for cutting dough and creating decorative edges on pies and tarts. It features interchangeable blades for different cutting styles, including straight and fluted edges, allowing for creative pastry designs. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods without hand fatigue. Number 1. Talisman Designs 10-inch Red Pie Top Cutter. Ready to impress your family and friends? This tool helps you create beautiful, decorative crusts to top your pies and wow your guests. Its clever semicircle design makes storage a breeze. Keep it neatly in cabinets or drawers, saving space for your other kitchen essentials. Simply roll out your dough and place it where you want your crust. Press down, rotate, and use your rolling pin for a perfect, even pattern every time. Crafted from BPA-free, food-safe plastic, this accessory is also top-rack dishwasher safe. Cleanup is quick and easy, so you can focus on baking. This compact tool is designed to create a stunning 10-inch diameter design for your intricate pastry. Enjoy more time baking and entertaining. What we like. Elevate your pies with this unique top cutter that creates a beautiful 10-inch decorative crust design. Its easy roll and cut mechanism and compact storage make it a convenient addition to your baking tools. If you're looking to add an intricate and impressive touch to your pies with minimal effort, this cutter is perfect. What people say. This pie top cutter is easy to use and quick to clean. You get beautiful professional-like results with minimal effort. This is a wonderful tool that enables creation of absolutely exquisite pie crusts. It's super easy to use and your friends and family will be amazed by your beautiful pies. These worked beautifully, and I was super excited to use them on the top of a pie crust where I punched out the leaves and then I replaced them on the pie crust for decoration, leaving the holes from where I punched them out as vent. Really beautiful fall look much less expensive than an expensive baking site. I looked at. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.